Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how we can replace the keypad of a Lenovo laptop. My laptop is Lenovo G570 and this is the keypad which I've ordered, which I'll be replacing it. As you see, the first step in removing the laptop keypad is removing the battery. Once we remove the battery, we can remove all the screws and then separate the back panel of the laptop. One thing to be noted is that these screws cannot be removed completely. There will be 5 to 6 screws which we can remove, which will be still attached to the back panel itself. So for people who are doing this for the first time, they may be wondering why screws are not coming out even if they rotate it completely, and yeah, screws won't come out completely. Once we remove all the screws which of this particular part, we need to apply little pressure and then pull out the back panel. So that's what I'm doing right now. So the back panel has been removed. Now it's time to remove the screws which connect the laptop and the keypad. So there are 3 screws in particular. One would be here. Uh, my laptop currently does not have that screw. The second one would be this one, located here in the middle. And the third one would be in the other corner of the laptop. One tip would be, if you remove these screws, just make sure that you don't misplace them because they're very tiny, and in case you misplace them, it would be when you are back. So let me put the screws aside so that I don't lose them later. Now we remove the back panel and the screws which connect the keypad, so we can just pull out the keypad by rotating the laptop and opening it. To pull out the keypad, we can either make use of a screwdriver or nails. Just if we apply little pressure, this part would come up. And we need to remove the cord which connects the keypad to laptop. Uh, we must not apply more force as these are delicate parts. We need to just pull out that hook and pull out the cord. So now we've removed the keypad, and this is the new keypad which I'll be putting. Uh, it's always safe to once confirm that both the keypads are alike, because there are a lot many models. You might not want to try fitting a keypad of a different model to your laptop. Now putting back is the same procedure. We'll just put the cord into the plug, into the hook, and just when we feel that it's intact, we can just press it, and that's it. Now we'll need to put the keypad in its place. There will be tiny grooves at the bottom of the keypad. These are the grooves. So we'll fix these grooves into the laptop panel and then gently apply pressure. Applying pressure evenly on all the parts of the keypad would just fix it tentatively. This can be, now we can proceed to fixing the screws. I'll just close my laptop and then open rotate it. So there were 3 screws which we removed, and we are going to replace them from where we took it in the first place. One goes there. The other screw goes in this corner. and the third screw goes next to the fan, which I don't have. And now we can proceed and put the laptop's battery. This would be a very simple job to do. Just pull it in, and now we can replace the back panel which we have removed at first. So again, just like how there were grooves for the keypad, there will also be tiny grooves for this back panel. These are the grooves. We need to align these correctly to the back panel, slip them in, and then gently apply pressure in all the sides. And once we feel that it's fit, we can start putting the screws. Again, for the first timers, this may be a little tricky. It may be a little tough to apply pressure thinking that you are going to break it, or that's quite common. This uh, the only job left is to put these screws back. That's it, we are all set. Now let's check if what we did was right and the keypad is working fine. What we did was actually right. This is just to ensure that the keypad which we put was working is working fine. Now the laptop has come and I'm logged in, and you can see that the keypad works. Let me just open the terminal and enter some text. And here it is. The keypad has been successfully replaced. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you. Thanks.